model, 64-plate Vauxhall Vivaro 1.6 Cdti starts drives needs turbo repair or replacement no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 135,006. MOT, the 12th of March 2026. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Straightforward turbo replacement job, no VAT, absolute bargain. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, 2 keys. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear.